Hi, welcome. My name is Paulami and thank you so much for stopping by Spice Trip with Paulami. It's summer right now in the Netherlands and warm weather here definitely makes me want to try sometimes for lunch, an easy salad. So what I'm going to do is try and share 3 super easy salads which are Indian inspired, of course. And maybe this inspires you to have a tastier work lunch, or maybe it's a side dish to a barbecue that you do on a weekend. So stay tuned, and I hope you like the recipes. For staying through the end of the video, and I hope you liked the 3 salads. So if you try any of these recipes, do let me know. You can share your photos and creations with me on my social handles, both on Facebook or Instagram, or comment down below and let me know how you like the recipes. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. So till we see each other again, take care and bye.